So, Saturday morning, project right now is to take these two trees out and open up access to this door here. Also provide some more sunlight as these trees are dying anyway. A little overplanted. This hydrangea tree has got to go. It's dead, dead, dead. And that one will go as well. Then I'm going to do some power washing, clean this whole deck area around here, and also the front of the house today.
Look at this tree coming right down. It's not even cut yet. Just dug out a little. Wow.
Well, it was dying. Everything is too overplanted right here, so the roots are killing each other.
And look what it's doing to the wood on the window. Well, that could be water. Are you just gonna try and snap it off? Wow. What about the chainsaw?
Well, I can, but I'd rather get lower down. And then chainsaw you don't want to have in the dirt.
That's true.
It was necessary, isn't it?
Shoot, that's crazy. Look how easily that's breaking off. Should have been done years ago. All right, well, maybe that one's not as easy. You were digging around the other one.
But look at this. How these roots.
Yeah, they're ruining. They need to be taken away. Okay, the second one is gone.
The third one's going to need to be cut down first.
This one over here needs to come down as well. We've got so much overgrowth here. These bushes, although that's going to be beautiful when it blooms, it's just too close to the house. It's rotting the wood. Look at that. Needs to be opened up. Look at this little sorry looking thing. This has to go. Oh, and those stairs desperately need attention. They're dangerous to go on. Yesterday I planted some hostas here. Here's some more hostas I put in. This is columbine. That is phlox. I call it pinks. I don't know. And here, so that should look pretty. Really, there's so many of these plants. I'm curious to see what they are. My plant identifier won't pick it up yet. And over here, I put in, some pink peonies. A lot of stuff growing. I think a lot of this is weeds. The stump has to go. Look at the roots going all the way up to the house from that tree. And here's some more peonies. And okay, sedum. This is sedum. So going around the house again, you know, look how it's really unfortunate how neglected this has gotten, because this plant right here, we might be able to keep that. It's growing. Looks like it was completely trimmed back. These rhododendrons are going to be beautiful, but again, just way too close to the house. Here's a PJM rhododendron. This sorry little plant. See, there was plant growth way too close. That was a big, I don't know what that was, but you can see what it's done to the window. It's just rotted the windows from not being able to get sun. So all that plant growth is really, it's really a shame. So another one, just way too close to the house and just way overgrown. So really all this, everything here needs to be, this all needs to go. gonna save what we can save. Some of this is like, has been trimmed back already. It looks like it's trying to grow again. Smaller would be better. These giant bushes just are really in rough shape. They're dead in the back, but look at the woodwork from it. And then this tree, again, just way too close. So I guess they probably, whoever originally designed the house probably had a landscape designer come in, and they just completely overplanted. Everything was really overplanted, and now it's completely overgrown from not being cared for. Then it'll have to be removed. Look what's happened. I mean, that is just rotted right through. That is a zero clearance fireplace up there in the master. So it's just a metal pipe inside of there. Okay, so we're starting to brighten this up. I'd like to clear this whole area out and make a seating area out here, because there is literally no outdoor seating anywhere at this house. These azaleas are not impressive. It's the month of April, and look how beautiful these pear trees are. They're just simply gorgeous. They line the driveway. Reminds me of my cherry trees on Sadie Hut. Gorgeous.